What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. So today I'm gonna teach you how to Snare in Serum 2. So let's go. First off, we're gonna remove all the settings and we're gonna right click it and say replace, and I'll take Serum 2 at the top. So now Serum 2, it will be open up soon. Here we go. Now here we go to Serum 2. So formally we are gonna go here to menu and say int preset, means they're gonna reset all the settings, and press sample, which is in the middle. This was sample, and I'm going to turn on the oscillator B and oscillator C samples, so I have 3 samples. Now in the Cashmere volume 4, I'm going to open snare, I'll go type snare, and I'm going to pick, and now because I'm going to just select, put the first one, check mark, second one, and I'll put 3 separated snares, so bigger impact. So now if I press button, you can hear the voices, hold the 3 at the same time. So now we're just gonna go to press piano roll and open up this. So you're gonna close the Serum so it doesn't distract us. And first, if you press button, I'm gonna press all 3 snares at the same time. So okay, snare, 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 forward. We're gonna repeat it one more time, and we're gonna repeat one more time. Now if you can see, it's snares. So now the second part is gonna speed up twice as fast, and at the third time we're gonna twice speed up fast. So now snare, 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 for speed up, and even faster, and it almost finished. And now here we go, guys. So you're gonna put it at top bottom, top right corner. Now we're gonna open the Serum 2 and set the synthesizer pitch bands to 12, 1, 2, and this is now the synthesizer. We're gonna just tweak it up and down and go into the tools, last tweak, and create automation. And now in the middle we're gonna close the Serum now. In the middle we're gonna press right click it and put typing value 0.5 is the center, and the second part we're gonna put it up. So let's listen. Snare, 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 and then it's go up with pitch, and pretty much that's already what is need to be done. So because it's piano roll, the right step, we're gonna put called sweep sub, and go to sweep sub eraser, sweep subs, and long one, long sweeps, and just press random. So we're gonna hold it and put there, so it's too long, so we need to cut it. So now just cut it in between and delete it at the end and put it there. It's still too small, it's still too big. Okay, I'm gonna cut it a bit more sooner, like here actually, and I'm gonna put it completely to the left and put the impulses at the start. We do that is catcher just gonna pitch her down, so we're gonna put it like that and put it completely top on, and just gonna put voice audio a bit more over decibels so it works. And pretty much, guys, that's all already. We have snare, we have speed up, we have snap R with pitch, and we have reverse cymbal. Hope you like, guys. My name is Nejc Filipič, and see you next time. Goodbye.